some things your car needs in the winter.
You want to check your battery cables and make sure there's not any excessive corrosion around your posts. If you bring your battery up to us, we can check it either off the vehicle or on the vehicle. And from there, you would want to check like your belts, your radiator hose right here, and your antifreeze. Make sure that's good and ready to go.
It's also a good idea to get your washer fluid filled and get new windshield wipers.
Every winter, at least replace them, if not twice a year.
How much do these run usually?
$2.99.
That's it?
That's it.
So if you bring your car in to get winterized and the mechanic tells you you're going to need 4 new tires, the experts say you may want to get a second estimate.
If they can make $1, they're going to try to.
So again, what you need to get your car ready for winter without spending a fortune.
Quick list: to winterize your vehicle, you would need check your thermostat, radiator hoses, battery, and alternator.
Now, if you could do everything on your own, everything in here, you're going to save a ton of money. The experts say most people, it's only going to cost you under $100. We're live tonight in Genesee County. Jennifer Rakers, NBC 25 News.
Now, Jen, if you're like me and don't know how to do it yourself, how much is a mechanic going to cost you?
Well, Val, really every mechanic is different, but what you should do is get your list together, then call a bunch of them and just see who gives you the best price. That's the best advice. Back to you.
Okay, Jen, or get your husband too, right? Well, now to save you some more money, the service people at AutoZone say